AI isn't replacing creators, it's turbocharging them. From boosting productivity to unlocking bold ideas, this creative partnership is redefining creativity, and it's pure AI dope.
Today, we're exploring AI and content creation, but not the scary robots taking over kind of AI.
Right.
We're talking about AI as a partner.
Exactly. Think more like a powerful assistant for creators.
So like instead of AI replacing writers or artists, it helps them.
Exactly. It's all about this new thing, this hybrid workflow.
Hybrid workflow. Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
So imagine AI handling the tedious stuff, like finding the perfect few seconds for a TikTok video.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Or even using data to predict which topics will really grab your audience.
Hold on. So AI can actually inform our creative strategy.
Absolutely. It's like having a data-driven co-pilot. But remember,
Yeah.
it's a tool. AI doesn't replace the creator. You're still the captain steering the ship.
Okay, so I'm getting this co-pilot idea. AI helps navigate,
Yeah.
but I'm still the one flying.
Precisely. And that brings us to a really interesting point.
Okay, go on.
Niche content creation.
You've mentioned niche a couple of times now.
Yeah, it's key. AI is actually playing a huge role in this whole niche movement.
Break it down for me. What exactly does that mean?
Think about it. Instead of trying to please everyone with generic stuff, you focus on a smaller, dedicated group.
Okay.
People who are already interested in a specific thing.
Right.
AI can analyze data to help you find those niche audiences.
So less mass market, more targeted approach.
Exactly. And it changes the game for creators. Deeper connections, stronger community.
Makes sense. If you're talking to people who are already passionate, your message hits harder.
Exactly. And here's the really interesting part.
Yeah.
That niche focus, it can boost creativity. When you know your audience, you can experiment, explore new angles.
So focusing actually unlocks more creative possibilities instead of limiting them.
Precisely. It's all about channeling your energy in a more focused way.
Hey, want our free AI dope top AI tools that we use? Chat below. It's our live Google Sheets packed with over 100 killer tools, video, music, photos, AI voices, productivity, script writing, YouTube hacks, captions, the works. Always growing. Live Google Sheet. Always free. AI, dope top AI tools that we use. Download and chat below. Back to the show.
Okay, I see the power of this AI and niche combo, but we can't forget the human side. We talk about AI as a tool, a co-pilot.
Right.
How do we make sure that human spark, that creativity, doesn't get lost?
That is the big question, isn't it? That's why these hybrid workflows are so important.
So how do we find that balance? Use AI's efficiency, but keep our own voice.
It's all about finding the right balance. It's about leverage, using AI for its strengths, but holding on to your unique perspective as the creator.
So it's not about letting AI call all the shots.
No.
It's about using it to enhance what we as humans bring to the table.
Exactly. Think of it as a partnership.
Okay.
AI does the heavy lifting, data crunching, technical things, but you bring the ideas, the emotions, the stories, the human connection.
Like a dance then.
Yeah.
Creative tango with a machine.
I like that. And like any good dance partner, AI needs guidance. You have to lead, direct, even challenge it sometimes.
Okay.
Step back, look at the AI suggestions, make sure they fit your vision.
So it's active, not passive.
Very much so.
Yeah.
We, the creators, shape how AI is used in the whole creative process.
That's what makes this so exciting, right?
Absolutely.
That's not just about the technology itself.
No.
It's about how creativity itself is evolving because of it.
Exactly, and that evolution.
Yeah.
Well, it's happening faster than ever. It's incredible, really. A few years ago, we thought AI writing songs or making art was pure science fiction.
Yeah, like something from a movie.
But now, these tools are everywhere, even expected in some creative fields.
It makes you think, right? Like, does using AI make you less of a creator? Or is it just a new way to be creative?
It's a tough question. No easy answers, I think.
Right.
The important thing is we as creators need to talk about it, Think critically about how these tools change things.
It's like we're explorers in uncharted territory, making the rules up as we go.
That's a great way to put it.
So what advice would you give to those explorers, those creators facing this AI future?
Keep it simple. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try these AI tools, see how they fit into what you already do.
Like adding a new instrument to your band, seeing how it sounds?
Exactly. You might find AI opens up creative doors you never even knew were there.
I like that.
But as you're experimenting, remember,
stay true to yourself, to your vision. Don't let the tech take over your creativity.
So find that balance.
Yes.
Where AI helps but doesn't dictate.
Exactly. Use it to enhance your own style, your own unique perspective.
Got it. So any examples of creators using AI in awesome ways already?
Video editing is a big one. AI can analyze hours of footage, find the best moments, and boom, editing is way faster.
Wow. That would take a human editor forever.
Right. It frees up time for creators to focus on the story.
Right, the big picture.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not just time. AI can actually make the content better.
Really? How?
Some AI tools can look at how your audience watches things and suggest ways to make your videos more engaging.
So it's like having a data expert giving you tips.
Pretty much.
Okay, but let's flip the coin.
Sure.
What are the downsides of relying too much on AI?
Well, you got to watch out for overusing AI-generated content.
Like, it can't do everything for you.
Right. Authenticity is key. AI can help, but it shouldn't replace you, your voice.
Like adding a spice to a dish. A little bit's good.
Too much ruins it.
Exactly. And another thing to be careful of, this risk of everything looking the same.
How so?
If everyone's using the same AI tools, the same data insights, content could get really generic.
So how do we avoid that trap? How do we make sure AI helps our creativity, not hurts it?
Use AI for inspiration, for exploring new ideas, not as a paint by numbers.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to push back against the AI's suggestions, to do your own thing.
So use AI to inform your choices, but trust your gut too.
Exactly. And remember, AI is always changing. What's amazing today might be old news tomorrow.
Right.
We got to stay curious, keep experimenting, and be ready to adapt.
It's like riding a wave, always adjusting to stay on top.
That's a good analogy.
You've mentioned community a few times. Why is that so important when we talk about AI and content?
Because content isn't just information, it's not just entertainment. It's about connecting with people, making them feel like they belong.
Okay.
And that's something AI can't really do, at least not yet.
So AI might help us create and share content faster, but it's the human connections that make it matter.
Exactly. Think about it. Would you rather watch a perfect AI video that leaves you cold, or a human-made video, maybe a bit rough around the edges, but one that speaks to your heart?
Honestly, I'd take the human connection every time.
Yeah.
There's something about that realness,
Yeah.
That authentic, even messy human touch that just hits different.
And I think most people feel that way, We want that connection, that shared experience.
Right.
That's why even with all this AI stuff, human creators will always be essential.
It's like AI is giving us a gift, in a way.
How so?
It lets us step back from the technical stuff, the busy work,
Yeah.
and focus on what matters.
Yeah.
Connecting with our audience on a real level.
Exactly. It's clearing the way for those genuine human connections that make a creative community thrive.
So maybe AI is actually making us more human, not less.
I love that idea. Tech should serve us, not replace us, right?
Absolutely.
And if you want another AI dope deep dive, check this next video and ask yourself, how lucky are we to live in these AI dope times?